Welcome. In front of me I have the OPPO A57s, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification. So you can see that the phone I have right here is locked. I could use a pattern to unlock it, or if I close this it will tell me to also use a Google account instead to unlock it. But assuming we don't know either of those, then we can just bypass this. Now for this we will need internet connection. So just if you're on the first page where you get to select your language, progress a little bit till you get to here and then connect to your network. Once you have done so, back out again to the first page. Well, technically I guess the second one. And let's see. Actually I guess we're gonna go to first page because we don't have accessibility here. So anyway, once you're here, hold volume up and volume down. Then you want to select turn on. Okay, let's hold it again. And there we go. It enables TalkBack. I'm gonna give it a second. There we go for this. There we go. Now muting it is not a requirement. I just like to mute it because it's super distracting to me, so just a personal preference. But once you have this page open right here, you want to draw a mirrored L like this on a screen. This will bring up a little window right here. Allow Android Accessibility Suite to record audio. Select the first option by tapping on it while using the app, then double tap on it. It will bring up another window, so select use voice commands, and before you double tap on it, I will just quickly go into what we need to say, because this will be kind of time sensitive in a way. So when you double press on it, you will hear a beep, meaning the phone is now listening to you, and you want to say open Google Assistant. Then you will hear most likely another beep that accepts that voice command, and another beep that signifies that Google Voice Assistant is now listening to you, at which point you want to follow up by saying open YouTube. So I'm going to do that right now, and you can just kind of see and hear how I'm doing it. So anyway, let's go. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
And there we go. So that's basically all we needed to do. Now that YouTube is open, hold the volume up and volume down once again.
TalkBack off.
And now we can use our display normally. Now if I haven't mentioned that before, whenever you select the options, you basically tap on them to select them and then double tap to confirm them when TalkBack was enabled. I don't think I mentioned this, so anyway. Now from here, you're gonna select the account icon, settings, and then about, I believe. Let's just quickly check. Yep, about, and then Google privacy policy. Select accept and continue, and no thanks. So once it loads it up, there we go, we can tap right at the top in the search bar, and we're gonna navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. I'm gonna write it down myself, and if you need a moment to copy it, do pause the video. So now would be the time to pause. Now from here, let's give it a second. There we go. It brings up this annoying thing. Gonna scroll down, and we're gonna select settings. In here, you want to scroll down to system settings, and we're gonna select backup and reset, reset phone, erase all data, and do that once more. Now this will basically go through an entire factory reset of the device once again, and it will take like 5 minutes or maybe even longer, so just be patient. I'm gonna let this run through on the video just so you can see, and once it's completed we can then set up our device however we want. The phone will be fully unlocked at that point. So anyway, I'm gonna let it run through, and like I said, come back once it's finished. Okay, as you can see, the process is now finished of factory resetting your device, so we can now just go through the setup. Any kind of region showing up? Hello, there we go. Now we have the skip button available now to skip connecting to Wi-Fi, but I will still connect just in case. Okay, so it connected. Anyway, let's just go through, I guess. Now we will probably be stuck on this page for like a minute or so. And as you can see right here, we don't need to verify anything. It just allows us to sign in, or we can skip this, which is what I will be doing. And we should be right about done. So there we go. That is basically how you bypass the Google verification on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.